Welcome back to LEDs for Dummies, where we'll be showing you how to connect up the LED combo strip lights. So this here is called LED combo strip light. What we have here is we've got a strip light that has warm white and pure white chips all built into one strip light. So you can have a warm white color or a pure white or both at the same time. Here we have a brown cable, a yellow cable and a white cable. Our brown cable is our positive cable. Our yellow cable is our warm white, and our white cable here is our pure white. Here is our controller. So what we have here is we have a negative, a positive and a negative. The negative here will be our warm white cable. So that would be the yellow cable here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to screw our yellow cable into our first negative. So here now we have the brown cable, which we will be inserting into the positive slot. And lastly, we have the white cable, which is our cool white, which we'll be putting into the next negative. Our next set of cables is our positive and negative coming from our transformer. So put the negative into the negative slot and put the positive cable into the positive slot, tightening it up. Here's our finished product. We have negative, which is our warm white, our brown cable, which is our positive, our white cable, our pure white, which is on our second negative, and then our power in the V plus and the V negative. So here we have our controller. We have an off button and an on button. We have our color temperature, our CT. We got our warm white. So if we run our finger over, we get to the cool white. We also have a dimmer up and down. Also we have the middle button over here, which will create effects, so you'll have disco effects fading in and out. So here now, if we want to change the colors, we just run our finger over the pad to go to our cool white. If we want to use a setting now as well, so what we'll do is we'll just press the middle button, and as you can see, we've got a fading in and out, we've got pulsing. And if we want to stop it, we can just press anywhere on this pad and we'll go back to normal. Now if we want to go to pure white, we'll run our finger over the pad and you see how it changes to cool white. If we want to dim it, we can just press the button on the bottom and it'll dim. When we want the light to come back up again, we'll just press the top button and it'll lighten up again. Thank you for watching our video. Please stay tuned for episode 6 of LEDs for Dummies, where we will be showing you how to use Z strip.